Hello and welcome to Quantum IAS. So we are launching the most awaited program, that is the Quantum Yodha 2.0, right? Now, before telling the detail of this program, let me tell you one thing, that this is the program which has produced multiple toppers which are getting around 300 plus marks in physics, right? Last year also 311 of Shaurya. He was from this batch only. Last to that led 295 plus marks of Ankur. Again, he was from this batch only, right? So this is the one course which has the capability to make you score more than 300 plus in the physics option, right? So please try to understand everything very carefully, right? And the design of the course is in such a way that you can be the best prepared student for this option, that I can guarantee for you sure, right? So it will be a 2 month program and it starts from 1st July. 1st July to let's say 30th August or 1st September, I guess. Right? This is the duration of the complete course, right? Now, let's go into the details of these things. What is this? So it is a crash course plus test series plus practice. Right? Test series come, practice come, revision. We are going to do in this. So let us see that. Now, before starting the details of quantum Yoga, I would request everyone to please go and check all the model discussion that we have done in the YouTube, right? That will get you the idea that how we conduct the last test series, right? And also many of the questions in 2023 were directly from our notes or the test that I have given. You can ask the previous student, they will give you the feedback for that, right? Now, coming to the first component of this quantum Yoga program is the 10 test. Now, these 10 tests will be 8 sectional or modular test plus 2 will be full syllabus. Standard test series, right? But what is not standard here, that the questions here will be non-PYQs. Are you getting it? Non-PYQs relevant but most predicted one. Why we are targeting non-PYQ? Because we are giving you PYQ solution for free, and it will be free for everyone. Don't worry about that, right? So we are giving PYQ solution for free, and we will be also solving PYQ in the class itself. So why there is no need of testing the same PYQ question again in the test series, right? So this monotony has to be break. Second thing, if you watch the pattern from 2017 onwards of this option, the question that they are asking are tending or declining towards the numerical portions. So we have to master these questions. Also, some new questions they are asking. So we should have the ability to at least attempt those questions in examination. So for these 10 tests, nearly about 20 questions per test, you will be solving, let's say 200 questions, right? So these 200 questions will be new to you. See, when I say new, it is not exactly the replica of PYQ, but it will be based on the PYQ question, how they have asked, right? And relevancy should be maintained. Okay. Now, along with it, this year, what we are doing, that within 7 days of submission, you will be getting the PYQs. Sorry, your ability to copy. If you write the test on the same date, let's say your first test is on 7th of July. So if you submit it by 7th of July, you will get within the 7 days. Otherwise, it will take 10 to 12 days. I'm making it clear on the very first day, right? I will be keeping myself restricted to 7 days of submission if you are writing the test on time. Okay. Now, apart from that, with every test, you will be having a discussion video. This discussion video will be in recorded format. The discussion video will be in the recorded format. So you will be able to watch it on 1.5x or 2x, and jahan pe bhi dikkat hai, you can just watch that portion only. And the model answer. These model answer will be handwritten, right? Handwritten, so that you will be able to replicate these in the examination. So if a question of any type which resemble to that question, you will be able to replicate what I have done in the examination, right? Now it will be followed by mentorship. Now this mentorship is one-to-one mentorship, and it will be a Zoom call. Just like I'm writing here, there will be a Zoom call. I will be opening up your copy and we will be discussing on each and every question that you want, right? So there will be these components of these tests. First, we will be having the model answer, then video discussion, then 7 days के अंदर evaluation, then mentorship, and also one thing you did, this evaluated copies, right? I don't know, have you seen or not? Just check, see my evaluated copy, how I evaluated, or you can ask the previous toppers to upload their answer copy. They can do that also, right? So it will be a detailed evaluation, not just ki I'm taking mark and giving you 5 marks or 6 marks. No, I'm not mentioning on the marks. I will give remarks for each and every question. That will be done here. Okay. Now, coming to the next portion, first portion was regarding your evaluation, that how you are doing. Next, all the components are regarding the preparation. See, now DSET is your daily self-evaluation test, right? So what I will be doing last 10 years, that is 2014 to 2023, I will be giving you model answer plus video discussion and also the evaluation parameter, so that you will be able to evaluate your copy on your own. So what you have to do, every day 10 questions will be there, right? 10 to 11 questions will be there for 60 days. Okay. Now what you have to do, just solve these questions and upload as an assignment. Rest of the thing I will tell you when we will joining the course. I will tell you how to upload that. But try to understand, on a daily basis in the test mode, you have to solve 10 questions and that will be PYQs, right? And you can just self-evaluate it from the model answer and the discussion that I will give you. Now, again, this thing will be free for everyone. Now, few people are there who cannot afford this course. I can understand that, right? But what I can provide them for free is this one, that 600 questions with their model answer, and video discussion. I am giving it for free for everyone. So you can just check it and do it. Before 2014, questions were quite easier, right? And mostly of the derivative type. You will not feel any difficulty in solving post 2014 questions. You can just check it and see it on your own, right? So these DSET will be there. There will be daily test of 10 questions, right? It will be not be evaluated, but you have to self-evaluate it and give it to it. Next one is the live classes. Now, last year I was conducting daily classes, but again, this year I have interacted with many of the students and they have said, ki, sir, instead of doing daily classes, we can do it on only 2 days, right? So we will be having 2 days classes, right? But of 6 hours, 6 hours class. The timing will be, it is also fixed, 11 to 2 and 2:30 to 5:50, right? Now, one thing you should understand here, in these classes, we will be solving 100 questions per week. That means 800 plus questions we will be solving. And these questions which will be mainly comprising of numericals. From where I will bring these numericals? Again, any PYQs which I feel is relevant before 2014, right? And your standard books. So no need to do standard books questions, right? Whatever is relevant, because you will end up wasting time when you search the book. You will end up wasting time in solving the questions, and you will not have the idea that which is relevant or not. Even if you are solving standard book, you will be able to solve only one book. I will be at least be giving you 3 books knowledge here, right? So it will be done in the live mode and we will be doing everything in the class, right? For each question, I will be giving you 3 minutes to think and 1.5 minutes I will be giving for the explanation. All things are scientifically matched up. No need to worry about that, right? This can be done. Now, 6 hours, if you check it, 1.5 minute, 4.5 minute per question. right? We will be solving 50 questions in one class. After that, what will happen? After that, we will be having 1 to 1.5 hours extra left. See, in 4.5 hours, we will be solving numericals. Remaining 1.5 hours, even if someone has doubt, I can sit for more than 2 hours or 2.5 hours also. These will be your doubt-based revision classes. In last year, what I have done, that I have taken the classes, but it was merging with the concept of students that they already know those concepts. So what I have done this year, that it will be doubt based division classes. So whatever the doubt, conceptual doubt from all these topics, I will be taking care, right? For that, what I'm giving you complimentary access to my foundation 2.0 notes. These are well elaborated notes. Just match it with your notes. If you haven't joined our foundation batch program, if you have done foundation from anywhere else, just use our notes and just value add in your notes, and you can ask the doubt in the live class. Okay, this is what we will be doing. So numerical practice as well as conceptual clarity will be done from here. Daily test evaluation will be done from here, and the major test will be done from here. Now again, mentorship will be there. One-to-one mentorship, group mentorship will be also there. So one-to-one mentorship plus group mentorship will be there. You can ask doubt anytime, right? These 2 months, July and August, I will be available for you every time, right? So within 12 hours, I'm guaranteed within 12 hours, your doubt will be resolved, no matter what your doubt is. Okay. Next one is solid state and electronics module. This is also complimentary access I'm giving to all of you, because I know that if you haven't joined Quantum IS, and if you have prepared from yourself or from other institute, this portion pains a lot, right? So I will be giving you video access. You can just watch it and complete these topics. It will be around 12 to 13 lectures, I think it will be having, right? So you can finish it easily. Next one, apart from solid state, you will be having the value addition material, right? That I will be providing you, that contains definition, application, and limitations for writing good intro and conclusion, right? This will be around per module, you will be given 2 to 3 pages, two, 2 to 3 pages note in which definition and application small thing will be written there, right? So that will be given before test. So let's say mechanic test on 7th of July, you might be getting on 6th or 5th, right? So just 1 day or 2 day before the examination, I will be giving you. You have to just spend 30 to 40 minutes one time and then skip these things. Okay. Next thing is real-time doubt resolution. So I will be forming your YPT group as well as your Telegram channel will be there. Telegram channel will be there for conveying news. It will be one way. For two-way communication, please use the YPT group. From there, I will be always also tagging your daily schedule, how much you are studying on a daily basis. And also you can ask the doubt from me, or also you can have peer-to-peer interaction. So all those things are mentioned here, right? So what we are doing is we are revising all the concept, whatever you want. Plus, we are practicing. If you see how many questions we are practicing almost 200 plus questions in your test. We are practicing almost 600 plus question in your DSETs. Daily test, जो PYQs है basically. And then in classes, we will be solving mainly numericals, कह लो, 800 or 750. So it is around 1600. So 1500 plus questions you are solving, in which in these 800 questions, you are getting your model answers also. Are you getting it? 800 question model answer. If you are practicing, you will be on the next age, right? Again, as you know that I am the only one who will be evaluating your copies. So I have kept my seat very limited. That is 20 this year, because I don't want anything that more number of people come and I won't be able to evaluate their copies, right? So seats are fixed and they are on first come and first basis, right? This is my capacity. Beyond that, I won't be taking any student, because I won't be fulfilling their things. So this is what is important. Now the course fee this year is 12,500, and I request only those students to join this course who are writing this mains. Okay, I have written, please join only if you are sure that you are qualifying this mains. मतलब If you are getting more than 85%, 85 marks, then you can join it, or you can just wait for your prelims time and then you can join it. It's up to you. It is starting from the 1st of July. Okay. Now, this is the link you can use to join it. Also, I will be giving in the comment also the link. Now, one thing it is very important to note down here, that complimentary access of our this program, we are giving complimentary access to all our old foundation batch student. Only foundation batch student, not other. If you have enrolled in any test series or other guidance program, it will be not valid. If you have joined our foundation batch program of any year, no matter, right, you will be given complimentary access provided you are qualifying for the prelims this year. Okay, please utilize it. Okay, if you're qualifying prelims this year, this is for you. Now, if you have any doubt, you can just reach out to me, and this is your schedule of the test. So your test is starting from 7th of July, and every Sunday you have test. These are your Sundays. Every Sunday you have test. On 7th, we are starting with the mechanics, then waves and optics, then electricity and magnetism, then these. This is the schedule that we will be following for this Quantum Yodha program, right? I hope I have cleared all of your queries and given you the feature list, right? If you still have any problem, please contact on this number. Also, please try to enroll before, because when you will enroll, I will be taking the mentorship session, right? Personal mentorship session, so that to understand key what component you will be doing in this course and what extra you need to done from anywhere else, or what component of this course you need not to do that. Okay. So to make it personalized, please try to enroll before 25th, right? Because after that, I won't be having much time for these things. So please try to do before that. Okay. So that's all for this video, right? Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.